Here are 3 ways you can pamper your scalp to keep your hair super healthy, especially if you're having scalp issues. Remember, healthy scalp equals healthy hair. The Rosemary Scalp Treatment. This treatment is made with rosemary oil. It has been used for centuries to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp and prevent hair loss. Apply to dry hair before wash. Apply the oil to your entire scalp. This technique is called pre-pooing. Pre-pooing is amazing for curly hair because curly hair tends to be on the dry side. So pre-pooing your hair before your shampoo helps preserve those important oils in the hair whenever you do actually shampoo your hair. Just massage it for a couple of minutes. And then you're gonna leave it on for a couple hours, or you could even sleep with it. When you shampoo your hair twice. Make sure you get all of that oil off of your hair. I'm going to apply the herbal hair mask since I'm going to be sitting in this for a couple hours to make sure I nourish my entire hair. So I'm gonna apply this from mid to end, also on dry hair. And leave it for a couple hours, then shampoo. If you are experiencing issues with dry scalp, then I would use the Problematic Scalp Treatment. It's an amazing product to soothe dry scalp. You just apply it straight to your scalp. Massage your scalp for a couple of minutes and then you leave it on for a couple of hours.
The third product is the Charcoal Scalp Detox. It is a powerful exfoliant, so it's going to unclog pores, detoxifies, and balances your scalp. This detox is made with activated bamboo charcoal, which absorbs toxins, witch hazel water helps with dandruff, and tea tree oil to treat scalp irritations. This detox is perfect for anyone who uses a lot of hair product or lives in a polluted environment. It leaves your hair feeling clean. Apply after shampooing and leave on for 10 minutes. You can use this detox once a week.